It's the Carolina Cook cooking the Carolinas.
I'm gonna fire up the big boy.
Chef Anthony Albritton here. Carolina Cook cooking, tasting, eating the Carolinas. In this episode, I will be using my very own Chef Albritton's seafood seasoning. All right.
Y'all, I wasn't paying attention. I bought some natural oak lump charcoal. So, this is oak. I thought it was regular charcoal.
I'm legally blind.
Oh well. All right, y'all, this is fresh field corn right here. I got that. And some baby potatoes, all right? Charcoal looking good. It's about ready to go.
Get my coat and my hat.
What I'm doing here,
I'm
y'all,
ready to go.
Ready to,
I'll see y'all next time.
with my butter sauce. I'll just explain it as I go, okay? You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen enough of my face already.
Fine.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna spread this charcoal out. Never used hickory wood charcoal before. This is gonna be different.
Ow. What's that crawling at me?
All right, corn boiling, shrimp, mussels, crab legs, and sausage on the grill. I'm gonna get this that nice grill flavor. So this gonna be different from my regular seafood boils. What I'm doing with my sauce this time is just cook it. This time I'm gonna use butter and broth. And of course, that's the Chef Anthony Seafood's seasoning in there. You smell that over there, man? Cause see, the thing with this, y'all, I'm gonna let those flavors go ahead and release in that butter. Then I'm gonna add broth to it and make a heapful helping of this sauce. It's almost like making a roux if you're making a gumbo, where you get the flavor in that base by making a roux. All right, so that's what I'm going to do here. Because my season is better. Normally I put it in a bag and just move it all around, but it's better when you let it cook and let the flavors release into the sauce. All right, see there's flavor cooking down in there like a good roux. See that? That's releasing the flavors. That's where you get the best out of my seafood seasoning. When you release the flavors into the base of that sauce. Because the sauce is something you gotta build from the ground up. Like I said, in most cases, I just throw it in the butter, mix it up, throw it in the bag real quick, and some melted butter. But this time, it's smelling like about how I want it. So I'm gonna add some more butter. Then I'm gonna add some broth. Yo, I'm just making this up as I go.
This is what I call cooking on the fly. Then I could go back and make whatever
Shrimp turning
adjustments
nice
later.
and pink. I done moved the sauces to the side a little bit. Now with the crab legs, I don't want to dry them out. So what I did was add some water to the pan here. And I'm gonna just let that sit there and steam. That way the crab legs are not drying out. By the way, you don't want to keep opening your grill up, but you know, it's seafood, it ain't barbecue. All right, you see the mussels done opened up. Shrimp doing what it do. Sausage done did what it did. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a cover on this pan so that condensation can keep them moist. Don't want to dry them out. Go ahead and close the casket on them. Say that broth. Dilute that butter a little bit. Normally it's a bunch of butter for me. I may have to season it some more since the quantity changed, but that's all right. I'll do that if I have to. And I'm just let that continue to cook just let it cook like a soup. Then we're gonna dip everything into this later. That's it. Get that grill flavor going. Then we're gonna add my seafood seasoning flavor to it.
See that sauce is ready, nice and grilled with the juices flowing. The next door neighbor over here, the shrimp, nice and pink, ready to go. The other neighbor, the mussels, ready to go. They're open. And that other neighbor, the crab legs, nice grilled, moistened, ready to go. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood. Beautiful day for a neighbor. And all of these neighbors gonna come together and make one nice meal. All right, now I'm gonna combine everything into one pan. The mussels, the shrimp, the corn, the potatoes, and the crab legs. And we're gonna pour the seafood sauce on top, get it nice and saturated, toss it from one pan to the other a couple times.
Why are you following me with a plate while I'm cooking? You sat over there in the car the whole time. Now you over here. Y'all, I'm making one more batch of butter sauce to put on everything. I got sauces in there that I had cooking on the grill. Cooked the crab on the grill. Cooked the mussels. Cooked the mussels on the grill. And we cooked that shrimp on the grill. All right. We boiled the corn and the potato. Get away from my food. We're gonna put some more butter sauce on top of everything.
Feed me. Feed me. You give me my crab. Crab. Spare crab. Spare crab. Spare crab. Come on, man. Give me spare crab. Spare crab.
As you can see, these crab legs will have people begging for spare crabs. All right, y'all, it's all done. Look at how that came out. Nice seafood extravaganza.
So how many kids you got?
What do you mean?
This is my Father's Day meal. This is not Son's Day.
This is
Anime show.
Now it's time for the chef to get his taste. Because I rarely get to eat anything I cook because it's normally gone fast.
Well, y'all, that's it. When I do seafood around here, it flies away. So it is what it is on that. And the longer this sauce sits, people tell me it tastes better as you continue to eat it. So I left it on the grill, let it warm up, and that's so true.
That's normally how it is with just about anything you cook as far as flavor goes. The longer it sits, the longer it rests, the better it tastes because it's marinated.